guys, I am so excited for this video. If you are new here and don't know, my husband and I moved from a studio apartment to a 2-bedroom plus den because we are expecting a baby, and also we just really would have loved more space, but I don't think we would have moved if it weren't for this baby on the way because we loved our apartment before. But man, oh man, is timing amazing, and I'm so excited for you guys to continue to watch us move into this apartment, create our own space. You guys know I love being home. I'm such a homebody. So today we are gonna do a home project together, and that is recreate my small space balcony and really make it a cozy space. When I saw it, I just knew I had this vision in my head. I knew really what I wanted it to look like, and I also stumbled upon a few TikToks to give me some inspiration. And from then on out, I have just really been searching the web for all of the good sales, and luckily we are around the times where these places do have sales, and I know furniture is so expensive. Like, it literally blew my mind on how expensive stuff has been. I just want to take into account that I will be buying most of my stuff within a sale, and I will leave everything down in the description box below if you see something that you love. And if you see it full price, just know I did wait for a sale, and a sale will come. There's many ways you can figure out when things are going to be on sale, so just do your research, which I thoroughly do before I purchase anything. This is probably going to take a few days because I have to wait for things to come in. I also don't want to rush to purchase anything just to get a space done. That's kind of the fun of creating these projects, is really finding pieces you love that bring you joy, and then you can put it within your project and know, like, this is going to last me quite a long time. So with that being said, I hope you guys stay tuned and continue to join along on this journey to create a beautiful balcony. Before we get started, I want to show you the space that we are working with. So we have a fairly long porch, a nice little cozy corner here, which I'm hoping to create like a love seat situation, coffee table, a little tabletop fire pit. And then when you go over here, you have like another section that you could really jazz up a bit. So I'm thinking like bistro table. I want to get maybe like a beautiful olive tree in the corner, and then if it can fit, an herb garden right here, because I really want to create a space where I can come out, pick my own herbs, because I cook a lot with herbs, and I just think, you know, why not? That'd be fun. I want to be a gardener. A few packages from Amazon just arrived for the porch, so we're going to unpack them together. Oh my gosh, well, it's a very great day for my porch because I just got in the herb garden, and then I also got in the 2 bistro chairs that I had been eyeing for a while, and I picked these up not from Amazon. I actually picked these up on Home Depot because they were on big discount compared to the same exact ones that were on Amazon, so I just had to go the cheaper route. First thing I want to do is create the base to the balcony, and the perfect way to do that is with a carpet runner. I just found this on Amazon. I was kind of looking for the colors that I could tie everything into with the carpet, and this just had like all of the neutral colors I was looking for. I will link this down below if you're interested in this specific one. They had a bunch of different colors. Hopefully it looks good. We will see, but we're going to start off with this. Target was having a lovely sale. My dad actually found this little love seat that I thought would end up looking perfect in the cozy little corner to the left of the balcony. What I love about this is that we have 2 pillows that we will have to put on there, but I like that this is very cushiony because the chairs to the bistro table are not. So we have options, you know. At least I have like a workspace area, but then I also have like a really cozy little lounge area. And Ryan put this together last night. It was fairly simple to put together, but I love the back of this. Unfortunately, it's going to be covered, but I just want to show you guys for the video kind of what it looks like. I'll also link this down below if it is available. I'm sure it is. I'm just not quite sure if it's going to be on sale. So let's go put this outside. It fits perfectly in the corner. I had to measure it and my dad was like, you better measure it right or you are gonna completely mess it up and waste money. I actually really like it without the pillows there, but just for comfort purposes, I'm gonna put the pillows on, but you could totally have it 2 different ways. Now we're gonna go work on the other side of the balcony and set up the little bistro corner. Together this herb garden. Before Ryan lived with me, I was an independent woman and I put together a bunch of stuff on my own and did not have to rely on a man. So any ladies out there thinking you do, you don't, you can do it on your own. And I'm gonna attest to that because I'm gonna get this done. Trust me when I say that. Will be a little wobbly? Probably, because the last few things I had put together without his help were wobbly and likes to remind me of that. What are you gonna do? Oh boy, this is a lot of parts. Okay, here we go. Instructions. Don't lose these bad boys. These are going to be important, and yes, you do need to read them. That I ordered. Why am I just now noticing this is gray? Well, I checked my order and I did order the black color, but it's kind of coming off. I don't know why it took me so long to realize this, maybe pregnancy brain, but it's coming off as a charcoal gray. And in the photo, it was a very like deeper gray, which is fine because it will match with everything that I have out there. It doesn't have to be super matchy-matchy. Sometimes when you don't do that, it comes together way nicer because there's more layers and depths with the colors that you choose. So we're gonna continue the building process, but so far, Handy Dandy Kales is really putting it together.
The next part of the patio that we're working on is hanging up these string lights. I think it's just going to add such a cozy little ambiance to the space. The trouble is trying to figure out how we're going to work with the length because I got the shorter version thinking that this wasn't as long and it's kind of a long patio. So we'll have to maneuver the design and see what ends up working. I'm going to try to avoid putting any nails into the wood. I'm using these command hooks in order to hook the strings. Hopefully they stick and are weatherproof. I have no idea, but this is a good renter-friendly hack. If you ever need to hang something and you're just nervous to drill any holes into the place you're renting, try out command hooks, or they have command strips that are more heavy duty. This seems to have worked for me in my past rental. I want to show you what the lights look like at night. Ryan did such a nice job hanging them. Look how cool they look. Over here I have my little love seat going on. Oh, so nice sitting over in this corner. We're going to get a coffee table for right here. I'm just trying to search for the right one, or just like the right one for now. You can switch things out year to year, but just kind of finding something that goes with the aesthetic of the balcony. And then we have the fireball pit that's actually right there, just waiting to have a coffee table to be put on. That's really going to set the ambiance. Look how cozy it is over here. Oh, I love it so much. It's turning out to be perfect. Next up, planting the herb garden.
I wanted to share a few gardening accessories that I purchased. These are some plant trimmers, herb trimmers, flower trimmers. I picked them up from the garden center that we were at, and then in the mail I just got in my copper herb stakes that just say which different section has what in it. We had someone come and watch our dogs while we were away. He sent us this adorable little like vintage looking plant sprayer because he accidentally killed one of our plants that were potted, and we asked him to water and we were like, it's totally fine. We're over here trying to have a green thumb. No worries at all, but he felt so bad that he bought this for us. So I thought that was very sweet. Now let's go put together the planter. Ryan helped me put the soil into the planter. We're going to use probably half of this bag and the rest for other plants in the future. And then we're going to get to planting the herbs. Stinky cute. Now we got to put in the little herb stakes. Sticking in the basil. I'm definitely going to get more basil, so this will do for right now, and then I will adjust that one. Here is the oregano. These are so cute. Such little detailed touches I love. And then eventually I'd like to get one like for maybe the middle that says Kaylee's Herb Garden. Here's the parsley. And then lastly, but certainly not least of the herbs, is rosemary. I still have to get dill and thyme. My thyme died. But for the meantime, look how cute this is turning out. I absolutely love it. I wanted to update you with the last big piece of furniture that I added to the balcony, and it is our side table here, and then I put the fire pit on top. I just think it's turning out to look exactly how I envisioned it. It's going with the whole theme of really what we based it off of is the railings, because this is darker, and typically I'm more of like a lighter furniture person, but I'm really liking how it made me go out of my comfort zones. Over in this corner, it's not fully finished, but I don't like waiting to post videos until things are fully finished, because I feel like your home is just never fully finished. Like, I'd love to get some decorative plants down here, make this look nicer, and then eventually get that olive tree when it's not so dang expensive. I've spent a good amount on this patio and I'm really happy with how it is. And then maybe something on here, like during the fall time, I'm definitely going to put a cute pumpkin. And then over here, I feel pretty happy with how it's looking in that corner, and the lights just really make it cozy at night. So overall, I'm very satisfied. I'm going to get a few more herbs, and I'll just update on my Instagram story, so definitely follow me there. Setting up a little s'mores bar for a little s'mores night, our first s'mores night on the porch, now that it's fully done and we got the little fire pit. Just putting some Hershey's chocolate in there. Got these graham crackers from Trader Joe's, and then I'm going to finish stuffing this big one with marshmallows. I wanted to get the ones that were stuffed, but I forgot to ask Ryan to get those, because that way you don't have to have chocolate if you don't want, but look how cute. My little s'mores party. So we're gonna go out there and get them roasty toasty. guys, that is it for my small space balcony makeover. I really just felt like I was on HGTV. Putting everything together, it was feeling really great. I love a good creative outlet, and especially when it comes to making my home feel like a home. And now that balcony just feels so inviting, and I just really love going out there and enjoying the ambiance, getting some fresh air, and eventually I'll get to sit out there with my little baby and just soak it all in. So I'm so excited with how it turned out. I hope you guys got some inspiration. I know so many of us have smaller spaces that we're not quite sure how to make it cozy and inviting. So I definitely hope that you guys got something from this video, and I will leave everything down in the description box below. Remember, always wait for a sale. Most likely they'll happen. Just gotta be patient. And I know it's hard because you wanna just create that environment right away. But, you know, the bank account's important too. So thank you guys so much for watching. There'll be so many more projects to come, like the nursery, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.